Branché.
Oh, c'est pas parce que ou à moi-même ou à traiter moi comme ça tous les jours ou humilier ou mépriser côté où je courage pour traiter comme ça.
What's up, Montréal?
Why don't you say it loud and clear? What are you keeping me here for? Baby, just let me go.
This is your co-host, Armandi LaPearl, and make sure you tune in every Friday from 8 to 10 on Tropical DJs with the one and only Bobby X. Oui.
Just let me go.
C'est pas parce que ou à moi-même ou à traiter moi comme ça tous les jours.
Branché. Branché.
Ou mépriser côté où je courage pour traiter comme ça.
Merci, baba. Mou konon branché, monsieur. Monsieur Gabel.
Branché.
Yeah. We are back with Mr. Sony, the CEO of KOTR.
Yes. By the way, CEO, do you have any, job? Parce que besoin de job, man.
Nous gen position, mais nous pas gen l'argent.
I can't with you, Bobby.
So
Yes.
c'est volontaire.
Yes. Just right before, we took a break, and we'll ask you a question. It was, do we have any level?
Mm-hmm.
And
Is there different levels of,
Difficulties, I would say.
like, yeah, you can start as a learner, like first level, and then you
Beginner
keep go beginner, and then you keep going to higher
Intermediate
levels.
to like, what's the last? I guess professional or something. Go ahead, Sonia.
okay, so you understand the question, right?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
So pretty much we have 3 different levels that we start off with. We have the beginner level. Of course, there in the beginning level, you learn the parent moves and basic moves that you need. Usually in that level, we don't have any couple dancing. It's more solo, doing the styling dance. Ou apprend mouvement yo avant capable diriger l'autre monde, faut apprendre mouvement yo avant. So that's beginners, and then the intermediate. The second one is more the intermediate. With the intermediate, is more so couple dancing now. Ou apprend danser avec l'autre monde, and it's more technique and more combinations you learn. And then there's advanced movements. So now you're going to learn not only the kompa, but you get to learn other styles of kompa as well. So the kompa direct, more upbeat type of dancing. Some of the love, entrer dans l'autre dance. We open our dances to allow dancers to learn maybe like salsa, all these other dances, but only in advanced classes. We prefer the beginners and intermediate to just stick to that kompa and learn those. So there's 3 different levels of classes.
That's great. Do you have any other people that's really interested that kind of come to you and try to support you in the movement that you're trying to do?
Oh man, we're getting a lot of love, man. It's crazy because pile moun ap supporter nous, man. Avant ça, nous te gen moun qui pas yo pas tellement remen Santa Fe. Gen moun yo le yo wè technique à faire, yo dit que ça c'est pas compas. Mais nous venons arriver côté moun yo commence à accepter li. We have artists that are supporting us. We got promoters that are supporting us. We have friends that are supporting us. So it's becoming more of a trend now. People are more accepting and willing of what we're doing, and they're joining in.
That's awesome. Also, Sony, I mean, you know me, I'm like a fan of everything that you do. I'm like a fan, yay! But can you like let the listeners know and us here a little bit more about that festival that you were a part of this summer?
Oh yes. Now this is so exciting because there's a lot of festivals that happens within the HMI or Haitian industry or a culture, and most of them is focused only around dance. I'm sorry, music, mostly around music. You get dance, but the dance is more so cultural type of dances. But when the kompa come in, l'on parle de kompa, c'est musique là seulement yo parler. Mais here in Haiti, we did the first kompa dance festival where we focus on music, but dance was a big portion of it. Different type of dances. We get bolero, we get tout l'autre danse yo vin entrer. So this was an awesome dance experience. I recommend it for. It's the first annual. We're gonna keep making it happen, and I invite people to come. I mean, if you really want to learn Haiti's pop culture dance, but not only just that kompa, but other dances that make kompa, I recommend people to come and go. But it was awesome. It was lovely. I loved it.
How about when it comes to like government? Is there anybody in the politics world that's kind to approach you and talk to you? No.
What's crazy is because we had a lot of media group. There's one media group, I forgot the name of it, but they're by Digicel, who came in and supported the movement. We had one of the guys got off the camera and he was dancing with us. So it was awesome to see that. Then we have the Prime Minister of Tourism of Haiti, who took my class. Bon, let me say par you see, I was so happy for him to take our class. It was such an honor to have a guy of such position to take one of our classes. So we do have. I mean, it was great seeing a guy in that political figure and position take our class and support us. He even did a video with us and asking people to support us and follow us.
Yeah, I remember seeing that.
Yeah.
It's interesting because you're saying that, because to me, what you're doing is not only, it's like you're an ambassador of culture, because you're not just, okay, it's just music, because you're really trying to promote our culture as a whole. To me, is very important. So it's great that the Minister of Tourism will come and be part of it. Hopefully he will share the word with other people and let them know, hey, these guys are really promoting our culture in a great way outside of Haiti and all over the world. So those are people that needs to be supported. So,
and what's beautiful about that is, even though it wasn't completely our thing, there's another couple called Guy and Clifford. We went to Miami to sit with them. They're really, really busy, but they made the time to sit there and talk to us. And this was 3 years ago, and we were talking about, man, we should do like a festival or something where people could come and from all around the world come and learn how to dance. And not only that, maybe do master training where we can teach other people to be instructors to teach other people. And then crazy, this year the vision came to pass, and so they made it happen so we could be part of the vision as well. So we made it happen. It was awesome, so it's not just us.
Alright, Sony, bon, en question pour vous.
Bon.
Excusez-moi, question ça.
On va faire souhait encore là.
Non.
Ou dit Sony, pas Sweet, ou dit là.
Whoa, okay.
Bouzy.
Wait a minute.
Bon,
c'est ça me donne. Oh,
oui,
ça me dit.
Second bar pour dire, dis-moi pour choisir gâteau campé.
Merci.
C'est un style soir, même connaît beaucoup. En tout cas, Sony, question pour vous, man.
Oui.
Le fait que vous avez un groupe tellement de monde qui suit vous sur Facebook, parce que moi parfois alors mettez en vidéo et dans moins 1 hour ou game thousands of followers. Lorsque choisis musique pour danser, est-ce que pour qu'on gagne quelques jazz comp